how's it going, everybody? This is James with Randall Property Management and Improvement. Getting out of here, getting some mowing done today. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Appreciate it when you guys and gals visit. Johnny's already over here getting to it, and I'm getting ready to get started. Do a little mowing filming today. So stick with us, see how it goes. On a day like today, we got a route that's in a couple small towns in Piatt County, Illinois. So we have a little drive time. This here's Johnny. You've met Johnny before. Johnny, you worked with us the whole season so far.
Yep.
You enjoying yourself?
Very much so.
Johnny's pretty much our go-to guy. He's our full-time guy. We've had a few part-time people coming and going. We got a part-time guy, Austin. If you follow us on Instagram, you've seen some pictures of him. He's a real good worker. So if you go into the GIE, you'll get a chance to meet Johnny and myself. We're looking forward to meeting you. Chad and Austin will be there. Also, the old man will be down there. So we're looking forward. We're excited. It's our first year going down there.
As a team.
As a team. our first year in general. So what do you think about doing this type of work, Johnny?
It's different than retail, that's for sure. Worked retail before this. I guess it's up to your personal work pace that we prefer, but I kind of like being outside, moving around, doing different things. You're not going to the same place every single day. You change it up.
Yeah, that's definitely the bonus about the line of work that we're in. So,
Work outside, soak up some rays, make some money.
well, that's always a good thing. Make a little money. That's the plan, anyhow. We'll be pulling up to our spot here pretty quick. Get some more mowing footage, hopefully. It is hot today. It's in the 90s. Got a couple days of 90s coming up this week, and then it's going to drop off to fall weather, hopefully. So, you guys stand by, and we'll be back with some more mowing video. Thanks a lot for stopping by and spending some time with us today. Definitely appreciate you watching the video. Drop a comment, hit like, If you haven't already, and this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, folks. And if you are thinking about it, or you are going to the GIE, we're looking forward to seeing you all down there. It'd be good to meet you. Take care, and as always, peace, folks.